Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Edge, one of the most popular web browsers available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone users. Microsoft Edge is a fast, secure, and easy-to-use browser developed by Microsoft.com. It helps you browse websites, watch videos, read articles, shop online, and much more. First, open Microsoft Edge on your device. You can find it on your desktop, taskbar, or app list. Once Edge opens, you'll see the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you type a website address or search for information. For example, if you want to search for the weather, simply type "Weather Today" into the address bar and press Enter. Edge will show you relevant search results. Next, you can open multiple websites at the same time using tabs. To open a new tab, click the plus sign at the top of the browser. This allows you to switch between different websites without closing your current page. Microsoft Edge also includes useful features such as favorites, which lets you save websites for quick access later. To save a website, click the star icon in the address bar and choose a folder for your bookmark. Another helpful feature is collections. Collections allow you to organize websites, images, and notes for research, shopping, or personal projects. Simply click the collections icon and start adding content. Edge also provides strong security and privacy protection. It helps block harmful websites and gives you control over your browsing data. You can access privacy settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner and selecting Settings. If you want to sign in, use your Microsoft account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings across all your devices. This makes browsing more convenient wherever you go. In conclusion, Microsoft Edge is a powerful browser that combines speed, security, and productivity tools in one package. Whether you're browsing the web, studying, working, or shopping online, Edge offers features that can help you stay organized and productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started with Microsoft Edge.